Welcome you all. My name is Deen Ahmed. Today I will be presenting the best shop talk of the month April on M2 section. We will see the overview, what all the topics we'll be taking. I will be taking today. What is a crane? Who invented crane? Application of crane, types, and the explanation of the types. What is a crane? A crane is a type of machine generally equipped with hoist rope, wire ropes, or chains that can be used both to lift and lower material and to move them horizontally. It is mainly used for lifting heavy objects and transporting them to other places. Who invented crane? Sir William George Armstrong invented crane during the time period of 1838, who sent letter to Mechanics magazine, an idea he had on hydraulic crane which was powered by water. Application of cranes. Transportation for loading, unloading. It is also for using heavy, it is used for construction, for movement of materials, in manufacturing, for assembling of heavy equipment, lift, shipping containers, heavy object into buildings. For building construction also it can be used. Types. Mobile cranes. There are two major types of crane, mobile cranes and fixed cranes. On topic of mobile cranes, we have carry deck crane, crawler crane, floating crane, rough terrain crane, truck mounted crane. Fixed cranes. Bridge overhead crane, bulk handling crane, hammerhead crane, stacker crane, telescopic crane. Now we will see the explanation of types. Carry deck crane. Carry deck crane main feature is versatility and movability, uses loading and moving material on job sites. Crawler crane. The key feature of it is it doesn't have any wheels. It has tracks like tanks. Its main job is with it can be used very uneven surfaces, soft surfaces. Floating crane. Floating crane key feature is ability to work in water. Uses project on sea like ports or oil rigs. Rough terrain crane. Rough terrain crane. The key feature is four rubber tires, four-wheel drive. It can 4x4. It can drive on 4x4. Uses pick and carry operation on rough terrain. The grip is more on this crane. Truck mounted crane. Key feature is ability to travel on highway, mainly for loading and moving equipment on job sites. It is very helpful for mobility. It can be transported easily through uh, truck. It is mounted on truck. Bridge overhead crane. Bridge crane. Key feature reliable, stability and efficiency. Uses typically used for industrial movement. It can move horizontally. Bulk handling crane. Bulk handling crane is a fixed crane which is used for lifting and moving bulk cargo like coal and scrap metal. Its main key feature is large grabbing like mechanism. Its hand are very big. It can lift many things at a time. Hammerhead crane. It is one of the most crane which is used commonly on industries. Its key feature is racking, ability for the trolley to move back and forth. Uses one of the most commonly used crane types in industries. Stacker crane. Stacker crane is an crane which is used for retrieval of cargo in warehouse storages. It's mainly used in storage areas. Key feature is forklift like mechanism. Up and down it will move. Telescopic crane. Telescopic crane is a crane which is used for highly adaptability for variety of mobile situation. It can be moved using a truck mounted. It is a variant of truck mounted crane. Key feature is hydraulic cylinder for changing length. It can go various types of length, crane lengths. Thank you.